Hello. Hello
Hi,
today. Hello.
hi.
Hi there. Hi. So my name's Karen and I'm from England. And how
Nice
are
to
you
meet you.
today, Sanjay? How are you?
I am fine. I am
Good.
from India.
And you're from India. Oh,
Yeah,
are you calling me from India now?
yes.
Yes. Wow. Okay. And why do you need to learn English?
Uh, I want to improve my English fluency and I want to express my views and opinions in some presentations or in front of group of peoples.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds very good. Do you work?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your job? What do you
Uh,
do?
I am a student and I am doing electrical engineering now.
Electrical engineering.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, cool.
Yes.
Well done. Good. Well done, you. Yeah. Well
Yes.
done. So we're
Thank you.
gonna we haven't got a lot of time, so we'll get to the lesson, okay? Yeah.
Yes.
So yep. So we're
Yeah.
gonna be doing some grammar with present continuous, okay? So
Yeah.
that's like at the moment you're on a video call, aren't you? Learning English, yes?
Yes.
And listening to me, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to be doing some vocabulary and some extra activities. Okay,
Yes.
so here's our quick warm up question. All right,
Yes.
describe your current or most recent manager. Okay,
Yeah.
so what's their do you have a manager or would it be a lecturer at school, at the
Uh,
university?
no, I have manager.
Do you have a lecturer?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So what is it, a man or a woman?
Both. I have both men
Oh,
lecturers.
you have both. Are they, so what are they? Are they patient? Are they kind? Are they
Um,
helpful?
all type of lecturers are there in my university. Uh,
Oh,
some lectures are kind, patient, but some lectures have no patience and they are not dedicated to put their efforts in class.
yeah. Oh gosh, that's a shame. Yes, I think you sometimes find that with people that been in teaching a long time. Yeah,
Yes.
they sort of lose the enthusiasm for it.
Yeah.
Yes. Well, that's a shame because you're paying good money, aren't you, to have it? Yes.
Yes.
So we're going to have a look at some vocabulary.
Yeah.
So you know who a manager is? The
Yeah.
manager. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the manager is someone who is in charge of the business and or the department. Okay,
Yeah.
so they would be like uh, okay, they're in
Yeah.
charge. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the boss is a supervisor or the person that tells the workers what to do. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
direct report.
Uh,
Uh, yeah.
the supervisor, I think, different from boss in many company.
Yes. Yes. That's it. Yeah. Yeah. So, and a direct report, okay, means the person uh, that you work with, okay. So, say if you had a complaint, say your wages didn't get paid, it's the person you speak to about the job, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's who you would directly report to, okay. So the
Okay.
organization, that's the company, business, or the firm. Okay, that means the
Yeah.
whole thing. Yeah, the whole thing.
Okay.
So job title, yep, that's the name of somebody's job. Okay, so for me, I'm the teacher. Okay,
Yes.
and you will be the electrical engineer. Yes,
Yes.
yeah, okay.
Yeah.
And the department, okay, is part of it. Okay, so it could be
Yeah.
the sales department. Yes, you know that one. Yes,
Yes.
could yeah. And at university, you could have the science department, the maths
Yeah,
department.
lots of department are there in
Yeah, yes, a
universities.
lot. Yeah, I bet. So management style, okay. So it's a bit like we've talked about the lecturers, their style, okay.
Mm.
It depends on how their way of doing things and how they behave, yeah, and how they speak to you and interact with
Yes.
people, okay.
Yeah.
Yep. So here's the next one. So you need to learn some of these. These are what we call idioms, okay?
Yes.
So do you know what an idiom is? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
So you just have to kind of learn them. So ahead of the game. So that means to be in a good position, okay? So he
Yes.
got ahead of the game by coming to work early, okay?
Yeah.
Mhm. And you're getting ahead of your game by studying hard at university, aren't you? Yep,
Yes.
so that you get a
Yeah.
really good mark, okay, when you
When I
come to.
put my efforts more.
Yes, yeah, I bet, yes. Good. So you're getting ahead of your game. Well done, okay?
Yeah.
So
Then I
be on
can
the
put my
same
effort.
page, right? That means
Yes.
you agree with them, okay? So you're on
Yes.
the same page as me, you agree, okay?
Yeah.
Yep. So,
Yes.
and go the extra mile. That means you're going to do something extra to go and do it, okay? Now, when
Yeah.
my brother studied to be an engineer,
Yeah.
and what he did was when he'd finished at college, because he
Yeah.
went to college to do it, when he got home, he wrote everything down. Look, he wrote everything down that he learnt that day.
Yes.
Okay. So he further fixed it in his brain, yeah. So
Yeah.
that way he went the extra mile. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. To do it. Okay. So
Yes. Okay.
here we go. So the present continuous. Okay. So
Yes.
this is what we're going to practice in a minute.
Yeah.
So the present continuous is used to talk about actions taking place now, actions taking place in the near future, and the
Yes.
definite future plans, okay?
Okay.
So that's the form, what we call the form there, subject plus verb, okay? Okay,
Yeah.
so we would say, now imagine a new project today, okay? Do you
Yes.
want me to type it in for you, or will
Oh.
you be all right? Yeah?
Uh,
Yeah?
Sorry, I not hear what you will say. Can you repeat?
Would you like me to type it like this? Subject to type, yeah? Or do you want me to keep talking?
Yes.
Yeah, keep talking, yes?
Yes.
Okay, right, okay. So here we go. So now, if I'm doing it now, I'm
Yes.
managing a new project today. So you've got to
Yes.
listen because you've got to do this in a minute. Near future, two temporary employees are helping out this month.
Yes.
I am planning the meeting with the vice president at 10
Yes.
o'clock. So that's a definite. You know that's going to happen, yes?
Yes.
Yep, because you've got a time and a date. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, what are you working on at your job? So I'm going to ask you a question. What are you working on at college, at university? What's your project
Uh,
today?
well, I'm studying, and I'm studying today, and in next few years, I'm I'm give some job interviews
Okay.
so
Cool.
that so that I will get some job.
Yes, good idea. Good idea. Yes, at the end of this course, that would be a good idea.
Yeah.
We have a lesson where we can ask you lots of interview tips as well. Okay, so
Yes.
this one, well, I'm interviewing two applicants today and
Yes.
next week and presenting at a conference. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you come back with me, I can give you some website links
Yeah.
to presentations because you mentioned to me about presentations. Okay.
Yes.
So we're going to have another quick look at this. I'm
Yeah.
starting a new project. See, the
Yes.
subject is I, and you know these B's, I am, I will. Yes, I
Yes.
am. And the verb in start, but we've got ing at the end. I'm starting a new project, okay?
Yes.
So you're going to practice these. So you're going to answer these questions, okay? What
Yes.
are you currently studying at university?
Uh, I'm currently studying electrical engineering.
Okay, good. And how is it going?
Uh, uh, Now it is going not smoothly. Sometimes it is going very roughly, or sometimes it is going very smoothly. Like it is a going zigzag.
Okay, okay. Is that because of the lecturers or is it because of the level of the work?
Um, Sometimes every time it has some different reasons. Like sometimes I'm not studying, or sometimes maybe happen lecturers not interesting in that course to teach or from us, or sometimes maybe another issues.
Okay, yeah, well, yeah, there's lots
But
of things,
the
yeah.
main issue is if I'm not studying, that is the main
Okay,
issue.
yeah, yeah, I understand. Sometimes life gets in the way, doesn't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
So sometimes you might have to do something for your family or something, yeah.
Yes.
So the best thing is, yeah, maybe, yeah, to get back on track whenever you can, yeah.
Yeah.
So what are your plans for next week at university?
Um, Next week, I go in my college because now I am in summer vacations.
Okay,
So, and when I go in my college, then first of all I decorate my room. It means I decorate, or in other words, I say I place my all things in my room, because we shift in another hostel.
okay,
Then
great. Good.
after shifting in another room, then I plan some work, plan some schedule for me, how to start in the beginning in college, and how I improve my performance from starting.
Wow, that's amazing. Yeah.
Yeah,
So do
thank
you
you.
get some help at university? Yes, they help you with that. Yes. Yeah. I tell you one thing, you must make sure you do some work
Yes.
placement. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Yes.
going to be really helpful for you. Yeah, you definitely got to do that. Right, I think we've got time for one more slide.
Yes.
Okay, so here's the departments of a business.
Yeah.
So, yep, so you've got production. Yep, you know where they actually make the things. Yeah, maybe they're making electric parts. The
Yes.
operations, human resources. Do you know what that is? That's very special. That will tell you, or that does all the legal things to do with your job, like your
Yes.
contract, how many days sick you can
I
have,
think this all
the
things.
holidays.
Uh, I think this all things are not come directly in electrical core.
No, no, you're right. Yeah, it won't all be there. You might have research and development.
Yeah, research and development is a part,
Yeah,
but
definitely.
all
Yeah,
these things are some basics, like
yeah,
basic courses that we know, like finance, marketing, sales.
yes, that's it. And sales. Yeah,
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 in
exactly.
first
Yeah.
years we learn these basic courses,
Mhm.
like
Yeah.
like like finances, marketing, sales.
Oh. Okay. All right. Brilliant. Sanju, we're nearly finished now. It was so
Yeah.
nice to talk to you. I
Yes.
wish you very well with your
Thank
studying.
you.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Nice
And
to
if
meet